Hello students, good morning. Let's continue with our second parts of speech, pronouns in our English grammar subject. The first part of speech that is a noun that we have already learned in the previous video, right? Okay. Now today we are going to learn about the pronouns. Now what is pronouns? Let's understand. A pronoun is a word that used in place of a noun. Pronoun क्या होता है? जिसे सर्वनाम कहा जाता है कि वो noun की place पे उसका use होता है. A pronoun is a word that used in place of a noun. Noun क्या होता है? What is noun? A noun is a name of any person, place, animal or thing. कोई भी person, place, animal या thing का जो नाम होता है उसे नाउन कहा जाता है और उसकी प्लेस पे जो वर्ड यूज होता है उसे क्या कहते हैं? प्रोनाउन. ओके, नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड विद द एग्जांपल. हियर रानी इज अ गुड गर्ल. रानी इज माय फ्रेंड. रानी इज वेरी क्लेवर. रानी always comes first in the class. Here in all sentences, in this paragraph, again and again Rani word is used, right? Don't you feel bored by the reading same words again and again? As Rani is a good girl, Rani is my friend, Rani is very clever, Rani always comes first in the class. But as we say that Rani is a good girl, she is my best friend. She is my friend. She is very clever. She always comes first in the class. It looks in the proper form, right? Here we have, she is used instead of a Rani. Rani is a noun. It is a proper noun, and she is a pronoun which is used instead of Rani, because Rani is a girl, it is a feminine gender, so we used here she. Okay, so what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. Okay. Now here a pronoun has a number as singular and plural. It can be singular and plural. Singular means only one and plural means more than one, means many, right? 2, 3 and more. Now it has also a gender as like masculine, feminine and neuter. Let us understand that it has a number and gender by this table, and also the pronoun refers to person as like first person, second person and third person. It is the table of personal pronouns in the subjective form, right? It is the table of personal pronouns in the subjective form. It's singular and plural form, and the first person, second person and third person. The first person singular pronoun is I and its plural is we. First person singular I, first person plural we. Second person singular is you and plural is also you. Both the singular and plural form of second person are same. The third person is he, she and it. Here it has gender, pronoun has a gender, as he is used for masculine gender, she is used for feminine gender, and it is used for neuter gender as non-living things or animals or birds. And the plural of he, she and it, the third person plural is they. The plural of he, she and it is they. Okay, this is the table of personal pronouns in the subjective form. Here first person means I. When I am speaking, I am the first person, right? Second person, I am talking with you, so you are the second person, so you is used in the second person. But when we talk about the third person, as suppose in our class Yash is absent today, So when I ask why he is absent today, right? I ask about the Yash, that he is not present today. So when we talk about the third person, it is called third person. He, she, or we have to use he, she, or it for the third person. I is used for first person, you is second person, and he, she, it is third person, right? You have to remember this table. These are the personal pronouns in the subjective form. You have to write down the title here, that this is the table of personal pronouns in the subjective form. Okay? Okay. Let's see the kinds of pronouns. There are 7 kinds of pronouns. Is personal pronouns, reflexive and emphasizing pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, distributive pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and relative pronouns. Let's learn them by this table. Okay. Now in personal pronouns are in subjective form, in objective form, and as a possessive adjective. Possessive pronoun. Right? Here I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. These are the personal pronoun in the subjective form. They are used as in place of a subject. Now we have me, us, you, him, her, it, and them. They are used in place of a object. So they are objective pronouns. Now possessive pronoun. My, our, your, his, her, its, and their are the possessive pronouns. Now reflexive and emphasizing pronouns are myself, ourselves, yourself, or in the plural form we use yourselves, himself, herself, itself, and themselves. Okay. Now demonstrative pronouns are these, that, these, those, such, etc. Indefinite pronouns are some, one, none, few, all, many, others, etc. Okay. Now distributive pronouns are each, either, neither, etc. Interrogative pronouns are who, what, which, whose, and whom. And relative pronouns are who, whose, whom, that, and which. These are the kinds of pronoun. Right? We will understand all these kinds of pronouns with examples in the next session. Thank you.